Hello everyone out there, I am Navya from Aruva.
This is Santiago Beena.
I am Nisha.
I am Mithula. I am from Palakkad.
I am Anthony.
I am Aditi Gopakumar.
The course was very helpful for me, especially the personal trainers.
You will really be blessed with many supportive trainers who are ready to assist you.
The trainers provided the classes in videos, audios, and text messages, so we can easily understand the classes.
I could improve my speaking skills. The best part of this course is they have wonderful trainers to make us learn better.
For me, it was a banquet. I really enjoyed multiple sessions.
The teachers are very friendly, and when I make mistakes in English, they'll clear it.
So this course provided me much confidence and strength to join my dream course of my dream college.
Without any doubt, I would say it is one of the best platform for English speaking students to come up.
So I am very happy by improving my English through this English ladder.
A great experience in learning English.
Now I'm confidently speaking English to everyone.
I'm pretty sure if you join English Ladder, you can experience the difference within a short span of time.